Hello viewers, today we are going to discuss about the rise of the novel in English literature. So, if we are going to trace the seed of the English literature, then we have to go back to 1340 when Boccaccio was writing the Decameron. That was an influence for Canterbury Tales written by Chaucer, and after that came Morte Arthur, Arcadia, Pilgrim's Progress and all these. And these were the real beginning, or these are the writings where we find the trace marks of the novel that came out in 18th century. Now we have to discuss that how 18th century society actually helped the novel rising. In that time, effect of enlightenment was huge. Printing presses were helping the knowledge to spread all over the crowds, so people were becoming more and more educated intellectuals, and so the discoveries were there, various industrialization effects were there, new discoveries were there, and that was actually made new tastes to emerge among the public, and that new tastes were fulfilled or satisfied by the newly emerged literary genre that was novel. So 18th century was developing rapidly. People were longing for a new genre that would cope with their newly emerged society, newly emerged tastes, and at the same time will very much be individualistic, because at that time people were always used to be individualistic kind, and they were not like medieval ages or like Elizabethan period when people used to go together and used to watch dramas together, and drama declined in that time, and that was one of the most important reasons that actually made novel to rise as a genre. We probably may say that people took novel as an alternative of drama in that period. 18th century had a huge crowd of readers, and that actually brought the journals and periodicals into existence, and that was also the one of the most important reasons behind rising of novel. So crossing the previous stages and ultimately having a most suitable atmosphere, novel at the end came into existence in 18th century. And Daniel Defoe's novel Robinson Crusoe is considered as the first English novel that came into existence in 1719. There were four main figures in 18th century who worked a lot in initiative stage to establish novel as a very important genre. They were Samuel Richardson, Henry Fielding, Tobias Smollett and Lawrence Stanley. Let's learn some brief facts about them. Samuel Richardson wrote two most important novels, namely Pamela and Clarissa. Pamela was written in 1740, and it was a first epistolary novel written in English literature, and it was most important because for the first time the protagonist is taken from a very lower background, and the protagonist was a heroine. So in this novel, Pamela is working under a master who is trying to seduce her throughout the novel, and at the end of the novel they are getting married, and thus her virtue is rewarded. So the alternative name of the novel is Virtue Rewarded. Richardson's other novel, Clarissa, was also a heroine-centric novel, and it was one of the most longest novels in English literature. Beside these two, he wrote another one that was named as The History of the Charles Grandison. Then comes Henry Fielding, who takes Pamela and Clarissa and wrote against these two novels Joseph Andrews and Tom Jones respectively. His Joseph Andrews was a parody of Pamela, and Tom Jones was a parody of Clarissa. Beside these two novels, he wrote Amelia, which was also an important novel. After that comes Smollett, who wrote three most important adventurous works, namely Roderick Random, Peregrine Pickle and Humphrey Clinker. And the last person among these figures is Lawrence Turney. His most important work is Tristram Shandy. So these works that I mentioned here were definitely very much important, and I will give you my next videos to elaborate these works to you. So this is all for today's video. Keep learning and keep going.